In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set zoom video filters. If you've ever wanted your video to look a bit more polished or a little more fun without changing your background, filters are a quick and easy way to do it. Filters overlay subtle color tones, frames, or stylized effects on your camera feed so you can add personality or soften your look while staying focused on the conversation. Start on your Zoom dashboard. Look toward the bottom left and click the small gear icon. That gear opens your settings, which is where Zoom keeps all your video and audio controls. If you don't immediately spot it, take a breath and scan the lower edge of the window. It's the same place you'd normally find options like your profile and general preferences. Inside Settings, go to the section labeled Video and Effects. This area gathers everything related to how you appear on camera. Think of it as your control room for quality, color, and style. Moving here first makes it simple to keep any visual tweaks organized in one place. Next, switch to the Video Filters tab. This tab is dedicated entirely to filters, separate from backgrounds or avatars, so you won't be mixing features by accident. Once you're in the right tab, you'll see a live preview of your camera feed alongside a gallery of filter options. Now comes the fun part. Select and preview the filters. Click through different styles and watch how they appear instantly in the preview window. Some filters are subtle, like gentle color tints that warm up your image, while others add frames or themed looks. Take a moment to notice how each option affects skin tones, the brightness of your room, and the overall mood. If a filter feels too strong, try a simpler one. The goal is to complement your look, not distract from it. If you change your mind at any point, pick the None option to return to your normal video. A couple of quick tips as you preview. Good lighting makes every filter look better, so face a window or a soft light if you can. Filters can be playful, but choose something appropriate for the tone of your meeting. And remember, what you see in the preview is what others will see once you join a call. That's all there is to it. Click the gear, go to Video and Effects, open Video Filters, and select what works best for you. Try a few favorites now so you're ready for your next meeting.